Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will show you some trades that you could potentially make. As always guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest your money, but I found something very interesting in the charts that I want to show you, okay guys? So as you can see here, yes guys, I trade on Phemex. I have some trades open over on Phemex on my main account and also on the sub accounts. So guys, if you always want to have the highest available bonuses, use my links in the description. You will always get the highest available bonuses. Check the links. And so let's go guys. So first of all, for Bitcoin, you can see we are still in this ascending channel, okay? And we got the rejection up here, yeah? And as of right now, you can see, let me show you guys, we have here this support at about $23,100, and we are trading right now in the range of the support, yeah? And also right now we are in this descending channel, and a descending channel is much more likely to break out to the upside than to the downside. So as of right now, you can see the risk to reward. You can see up here, yeah, let me show you guys. 1 second. If you click this, we have until we reach the upper line here, we have 10.3, almost 10.4% reward potentially. And risk, I would put the stop loss around here, 3.5%. That means a very good risk to reward ratio. So we could entertain the idea to enter a long trade here. That's what I did. And you could also do it if you want, guys. So you can see here the potential to the upside is much bigger than to the downside because we have a lot of support also coming in here. So that's what's going on with Bitcoin right now. And let me show you Ethereum. Ethereum as of right now, as you can see, is also trading in this descending channel, which is also much more likely to break to the downside, and we are trading around support level. And you can see here, if you would make this trade, the reward, you could get about 10% to the upside and about 4% to the downside. So also a very good risk to reward ratio. So we could enter a trade here. That's what I also did, guys. And stop loss, you can put it around here, and because you know the target would be up here around, and here's also the next resistance. So you could make a really good trade here, guys. I opened the trades over in Phemex, as I've told you. So that's what's going on, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.